In this video, we are going to discuss about some important Gmail settings that help us to save our time. If we receive multiple emails in our 24 hours time and we have to reply them back, then we should know these settings. So let's quickly look on that what these settings are. So I already have my Gmail account here, so I simply go into these settings and click on see all settings. The first setting that you might be interested to know, that is your page size. So you can increase the number of emails or decrease the number of emails by per page. For example, if you know that there are not more than 10 emails that you got in the recent tab after like 1 hour, 2 hour. So you can simply change the settings of your conversations like 10 conversations per page. The next setting is the undo settings. And in my case, this is important Gmail setting. Normally, what happens when you send an email, there is a small pop-up here that if you want to do some undo changes, then you can simply click on the undo. And after that, that email will reverse or will not be sent. But that's a very short period of time, like the 5 seconds. Normally by default that is set. And if you think that this time window is very low, and this time window should be increased. So here you can simply go into this drop down menu and you can change the size from 5, 10, 20 and 30 seconds maximum. And I think 30 seconds is the enough time to decide that either the email is sent correctly or you have to do it undo. And the next setting we are going to talk about is the default text style. So on every composing email, if you change your text style every time, then you might be interested to know this setting. The help of default text style, you will be able to change the style of the font here, and also you can change the size of the font and also the color, what should the color look like. And this is where you can do your over and over work with the simple this setting by choosing it default. And the next setting that we are going to discuss is the Smart Compose. The Smart Compose is basically some kind of suggestions that Google will allow you to give when you were composing your email. So if you don't allow Google that, the Google will provide you some suggestions related to your email or your writing style, then you can simply go and check this off. Or if you are not receiving any Smart Compose suggestions, that you can simply go here and just click on and the Smart Compose suggestions will get on. And also Smart Compose personalization is also the same thing and they will work hand in hand with each other. So what happens when any changes is going to be happen with any product of the Google will roll out to some users for the testing and getting the data back. And you can simply check here, and if there is any feature that is available for the testing and experimental basis, that will be available for the Gmail in your Gmail account. And also I just want to mention here that the experimental feature indicated by this may be removed without notice because these are experimental features. So next we will move on to the conversation view. So normally we have 50% of people that like conversation view and 50% of people who don't like the conversation view. Then you can switch on from here and also you can switch off by here. Next, let's move on to some other features. Normally what happens when you will be new with the Gmail account and you receive some kind of notification when you open here in the Chrome browser that you want to allow Gmail to send you notification about some emails that you will get new in your inbox. And by chance, if you just ignore it or block it, then how you can again on that notifications. So here is the settings, the desktop notification settings. So you can change it or you can off it here, like the new email notification on and important email notification on. So I want to make it notification off, so leave it with the notification off. Next setting we are going to talk about, that is create contacts for autocomplete. So when I send any message to a new person, do you want that contact should be added in your Gmail account automatically or you want to add it by yourself? This is the setting that you can check on and check off. Now let's move on to the next tab, which is labels. Normally what you will see here, the inbox, starred and important chat, sent, schedule. There are multiple items here. What you want to show here in this menu like we have here, and what you don't want to show like you want to hide here, you can simply go and check for show or hide. Just like I want to hide the start, I want to show it. So simply you can change that settings here. Now let's go to accounts and import. Here you have multiple settings, like if you want to change the password, recovery options, and other Google settings. And if you have other Gmail's account, like I don't have for now, but if you have and you want to send the email from that Gmail account, you can also add another email account here. And also if you don't have any time to open two Gmail accounts at the same time and you want to like sync it into one Gmail, then you can do also from here to check emails from other accounts. Now let's go to the filters and block addresses. As you can see here, I have created a one filter here, and how you can create the filters and also how you can clean your inbox or how you organize your Gmail inbox. You can also go into the description. I have already made the video for that how you can do that. You can go and check from there. So these were some important Gmail settings that helped me in saving my time, and I wanted to show you guys that might also be help you in saving your time. Hope you have learned something new with this video, and if you have learned, then don't forget to subscribe the channel to get more videos like this. We will see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care, good care, and keep watching 5 Minute Session.